What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. We're out here riding dirt bikes today. I came to a track that I haven't been to in at least a year, maybe a couple years, and the track is actually in reverse direction from what it used to be. So the jumps are rebuilt a little bit differently and the track flow goes the opposite direction. So it'll be one of those fun videos where I have to learn a new track essentially. Oh, these rollers. Oh my goodness. Those are gnarly. They're like supercross whoops, dude. Alright, we're not going to fully send it. We can do that one. We can probably do this one too. Yeah, we'll send it next lap. We got it. It's my buddy Keelan in front of me. He's on a Beta 300 two-stroke. Oh! I never learn. I always need to tell myself, don't ride right behind people. Nice whip, bro. That was sick. Let's see how he does these rollers. He's probably jumping through them. Jumps it. Yeah, that's the way you gotta do it. You just gotta have the speed and double them. If you go as slow as I am, I'm never going to be able to double them. Alright, we got this one. Oh my! All the way to fucking flat. It didn't hurt as much as I thought it would. I thought I was going to break my wrists. Lucky. Oh my god. Dude, you hardly have to be going fast at all. These jumps launch you. That's surprising. There we go. Perfect. Nice hit. Got him. Oh, we gotta be hard on the brakes. Shit. Stay inside there. There you go. Hold it. Like, what the fuck do I do? I don't even know what to do through these. Who do they think I am? Eli Tomac? Oh my god, I jumped way cross jumped that. I wonder if I held on the throttle I could like triple that. There's definitely another landing there. Oh my god, that's a hard landing. I sent it, I think I cased it, but woo! Dude, Udi's whipping. That's so sick. Oh! No way! Screw that! Oh, he's doing it! Dang! I can't believe Udi's launching those. I can't believe it. Udi's like tossing whips. That's so sick. I somehow saved it. My man's on a vintage Suzuki. That was sick. Let's see it, Keelan. Double these bad boys. Leaves me in the dust, dude. So sick. This is the bane of my existence, this section, dude. Oh, see, he like lands on the top of it. Oh my fucking God! I about died, bro! Woo! Cody, I don't know what to do for that, dude. Like, I genuinely feel like I'm bottoming my suspension on these jumps. Dude, these jumps are so easy to float over because they're downhill. You just have so much momentum. Like, that jump is so tiny. Alright, so I only ended up doing 2 sessions on the motocross track, and that's going to be the end of the motovlog because I really want to go hit some trails. I haven't rode trails in a while, but I feel like I rode okay. Not like a complete goon, but, you know, 90% goon, 10% okay. I really appreciate you guys watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!